Danby Microwave error codes. If you're looking for help fixing your Danby microwave, look no further. Our comprehensive Danby Microwave error code guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. There are no error codes at this time for this product, Danby Microwave not heating. The diode converts the AC power output of the transformer to DC, doubling the voltage to nearly 5.000 volts. This high voltage powers the magnetron to heat the food. If the diode burns out, the magnetron won't receive enough voltage to operate, preventing the microwave from heating. When the diode fails, it is often visibly burned out. Inspect the diode, and if the diode is burned out, replace it. If inspecting the diode proves inconclusive, test it with a multimeter that uses a 9-volt battery, or put a 9-volt battery in series with the diode. When the leads are reversed, the diode should only have continuity in one direction. Warning: the microwave oven can store a lethal amount of electricity in its high-voltage capacitor, even after the microwave oven has been unplugged, due to the high running voltage and the potential for electric shock. It is extremely dangerous to replace the electronic components in a microwave. Only a licensed technician should replace the diode. Danby microwave not working. If too much current passes through the microwave circuitry, the line fuse will blow. If the line fuse blows, the microwave won't start. To determine if the line fuse is at fault, use a multimeter to test it for continuity. If the fuse does not have continuity, replace it. In addition, you should investigate and resolve the problem that caused the fuse to blow. If you don't resolve the underlying issue, the new fuse will blow too. Caution: the microwave oven can store thousands of volts of electricity in its high-voltage capacitor, even after the microwave oven has been unplugged, due to the potential for electric shock. It is extremely dangerous to replace the electronic components in a microwave. Only a licensed technician should replace the line fuse. Danby microwave light bulb not working. The light bulb itself might be burned out. Replace the light bulb before replacing any of the parts associated with the light bulb. Danby microwave shuts off after a few seconds. A door switch might be failing intermittently. Check each of the door switches for signs of overheating, arcing, or burning. If you don't see any obvious signs of failure, use a multimeter to test each switch for continuity. If any of the switches is visibly damaged or only has intermittent continuity, replace it. Danby microwave turntable not turning. Use a multimeter to test the motor for continuity. If the turntable motor does not have continuity, replace it. Danby microwave buttons not working. To determine if the touchpad is defective, try pressing each of the buttons on the control panel. If some of the buttons respond correctly while others don't, replace the touchpad. Danby microwave display not working. If the display goes out partially, the display board is more commonly at fault. If the display isn't working at all, either the main control board or the display board could be at fault. Danby microwave turns on by itself. First, make sure that the touchpad is working properly. If the touchpad is working properly, the main control board is likely at fault. If the control board is defective, replace it. Danby microwave is sparking or arcing. The waveguide cover might be damaged and shorting out. Try removing the waveguide cover and see if the problem resolves. If the waveguide cover is burnt or will not stay in place, replace it. No power. A fuse may be blown or the circuit breaker tripped. Plug not fully inserted into the wall outlet. Arcing or sparking during operation. Metallic items were left in the appliance during operation. The appliance is being operated while empty. Spilled food has built up inside the appliance or on the mica sheet. Unevenly cooked food. Food was not completely defrosted before cooking. Cooking time or power level were insufficient. Food was not turned or stirred during cooking. Overcooked food. The power level or cooking time were too high. Undercooked food. Food was not completely defrosted before cooking. Cooking time or power level were insufficient. Food was not turned or stirred during cooking. Ventilation openings are blocked. Poor defrosting. Defrosting time or power level were insufficient. Food was not turned